Good afternoon, dear students. Today through this video, I will explain you how do you find out the answers from unseen passages. Before starting the video, first of all, we will know the meaning of unseen. Unseen means not seen and not read before. जिसको हमने पहले पढ़ा ना हो या पहले देखा ना हो. Passage means a brief part of speech or written work. A brief part of speech or written work. Now we start the reading the passage and then after we will find answers of the questions. Let's start the reading of this passage. Passage is penguins. Penguins are among the most popular of all birds. They only live in and around the South Pole and the continent of Antarctica. There are 17 different kinds of penguins and none of them can fly. The largest penguin is called the emperor penguin and the smallest kind of penguin is the little blue penguin. Penguins spend as much as 70% of their time underwater searching for food in the ocean. When they are in the water, they dive and flap their wings. They are great swimmers and have thick layers of fat to protect them from the bitter cold. Even in their freezing cold conditions, penguins still have to watch out for attackers such as killer whales and seals. Okay, dear students. Now we will read question first of this passage. The question is, penguins only live in and around. Dear students, हमें नीड नहीं है ऑल को रीड करने की. पैसेज को ऑल को रीड नहीं करेंगे, ओनली हम मेन पॉइंट पर अटेंशन करेंगे. इसमें पूछा गया है कि पेंगुइन्स ओनली लिव इन एंड अराउंड. स्टार्टिंग से देखते हैं. पेंगुइन्स आर अमोंग द मोस्ट पॉपुलर ऑफ ऑल बर्ड्स. दे ओनली लिव इन एंड अराउंड द साउथ पोल एंड द कंटिनेंट ऑफ अंटार्कटिका. हमारे क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग हमारा आंसर सेकेंड लाइन है, द साउथ पोल एंड द कंटिनेंट ऑफ अंटार्कटिका. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द नॉर्थ पोल, सेकेंड इज द साउथ पोल एंड द कंटिनेंट ऑफ अंटार्कटिका. साउथ अमेरिका, थर्ड फोर इज एशिया. According the passage, we will take the B option. That is the correct answer of the first question. Okay, now next question. Penguins have a thick layer of fat to protect them from the bitter. From the bitter. हम इस वर्ड को फाइंड आउट करेंगे. In which lines? They are great swimmers and have thick layer of fat to protect them from the bitter cold. Bitter के after क्या बढ़ दिया हुआ है? Cold. Now we will see. First is cold, second is winter, third is summer, four is rain. And according the passage, the correct answer is option A, cold. Now third question is, name the attackers of penguins. First question is whales, second is seals, third is snakes and four is both first and second. It means कि which option is correct. First all we see the passage. Attackers कौन कौन से हैं इसमें? Last line of this passage. Penguins still have to watch out for attackers such as killer whales and seals. So answer of this question is option 4, both first and second. Whales and seals दोनों अटैकर्स हैं, whales भी and seals भी. So we will take the option 4. That is the correct answer of the question third. Now question number 4 is, what is the biggest penguin called? First is emperor, second is little blue, third is whale and four is shark. The largest penguin is called the emperor penguin and the smallest kind of penguin is the little blue penguin. The answer is the question is emperor according the passage. So we will take the option A, the correct answer, emperor. Last and 5 question is, penguins spend most of the time underwater searching for food. It is very easy. फर्स्ट इज वाटर, सेकेंड इज फूड, थर्ड इज एयर एंड फोर इज नॉन ऑफ दीज. नॉन ऑफ दीज का मीन्स होता है कि इनमें से कोई नहीं. अब चलिए देखते हैं कि इसमें से कोई है या नहीं. ओके. Penguins spend as much as 70% of their time underwater searching for food. So we will take option Second, food. That is the correct answer of question number 5. Okay, students, I hope you will understand the properly how you will find the question and answer from unseen passage. It is very helpful for you. So, watch the video carefully. Thus, dear students, first of all, we have to find out the question's answer. The passage should be read carefully. Thank you and have a nice day.